Alright guys, it's May 29th, day 62. We are leaving Jenny's Knob, headed to Wapiti. Is that how you pronounce it? Wapiti Shelter. Yeah, so it's not raining. That's a good thing. And just slipped alright. Did a lot of tossing and turning. Anyways, I packed me out a burger yesterday, so I had a burger and I had a biscuit, sausage, honey bun for dinner last night. Some peanut butter crackers and some. I had a Snickers bar. Anyways, today we're gonna go to Trent's Grocery. We're gonna pick up some more food there for tonight. So really, I'm carrying no food. That's a good thing. And I had time to dry my tent out yesterday when I got here. So my tent's nice and dry. So man, I'm about as light as I can get. So anyways, all right guys. So I'm down the trail. It's about 6 o'clock. And yeah, so hopefully it's a little bit of a sunny day today. No rain. Come on. Fingers crossed. All right, laters. Should be coming down to a parking lot. I think I just see a little bit of a road right there. That's a good thing. I think we're gonna get to that parking lot and we're gonna take a left, go to Trent's Groceries and get us a burger. All right, let's see. Oh, check out this suspension press, guys. Holy moly, this is a big one. Look at this sucker. I don't think you could jump off this thing. It doesn't look very deep. Onward. This is the way. I'm assuming. I'm gonna assume HB shuttles. Yep. All right. I gotta walk a half mile. All right, guys, just cruising along this road, headed to Trent's. We've done 6.5 miles. We got 8 miles to go. Once we get back on trail, get done stuffing our faces at Trent's. Get a 1-day resupply. I may grab maybe some ramen, because then when I get to Woods Hole, I just have to get some backpacker meals there. Anyways, trying to spread the cost there on food, as the backpacker meals are a lot more expensive than ramen and some chicken packets. So anyways, yeah, so 8 miles to go after that, and it's all right. Just cruising along. Oh, I was hiking earlier, and this little doodad right here, this whole thing just popped right out. Popped right, my whole thing, stick tip was stuck in the ground, dirt, and I had to go back, recover that, tighten her back up. Should be good to go. All right, laters. Well, it looks like we got a lumber yard right yonder here. You can make it into Trent's Groceries. See what they got here. Now, that last, I don't know if y'all remember, but the last place I was at when I was getting Trail Magic, I had the hot dogs and the 2 PBRs. Well, supposedly, the bigger gentleman that was sitting in the chair works here. So we'll see if we run into him here. All right. Look like there's another hiker here. All right, guys, just left Trent's. Got out of there just under $100. Got me a 4-day resupply, 2 mountain houses, a Nora packet, 2 ramens. I got me some peanut butter crackers. I got me some cheese crackers, beef jerky, some cowtails, Snickers bar, peanut butter bar, Payday, Butterfinger. I got all kinds of good snacks. Who do we got coming up here?
Okay, about 2 miles back, there was a tiny stream with mud.
There was a what?
There was a tiny stream with mud.
Okay, and you fell in it.
I did not this time. This time, because I fell last night. So, on top of fresh footprints was bear prints.
Bear prints?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. Awesome.
Say hi to everybody. You introduce yourself.
I'm Plankton.
Plankton.
Who am I saying hi to?
We're always bouncing back and forth with each other. I'm ahead of her, then she's ahead of me. We're back and forth all the time. So.
And then I trip.
And then she trips.
Uh-huh.
Hey, how are you feeling from last night?
Good. It
Really?
missed my tailbone, but man, it got me right here really bad.
So your palm of your hand, that's okay. You don't walk on your hands. Okay.
And the strap's good.
Okay, the straps are good.
Yep.
All right, good. I was worried about your back or your buttocks.
The ring missed my tailbone by like
Right.
2 inches, and an hour walking worked out the other thing.
And you know what I was thinking about when you fell yesterday was you had talked about how we're all Mount Katahdin, we're all Maine worthy.
Yes.
But we're all it's going to be injuries that takes us away.
And
now.
my injuries are not on the trail; they're in hospitals or in shelters. The trail is fine. If I'm just going to stay to the trail, I'll probably get injured at Trent's Grocery.
It was a good place.
Yeah.
I did a total resupply there.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I just went ahead. I paid $100. I got 2 mountain houses, a Nora pack, some ramen.
I got a package tomorrow at Woods Hole.
That's right. Yeah.
What's the best sandwich?
You got a cookie. I just did the burger. I don't know what the sandwich is.
Greasy.
Yeah. And then I packed one out and a biscuit out. Okay. Same thing I did at Brushy Mountain. All right, enjoy.
All right, we'll see you.
Okay. No. Yeah, okay. Well, that's how it is on the trail. One's going out, the other one's coming in. All right, guys. On down the trail we go. All right, well, that's a first. So looking at my phone. Got distracted by this hiker that was in front of me and went to put my phone in my pocket. I keep it in this little zip pocket I got on my left side of my pants, and got down the trail a little bit. Went to grab it to do a little shot of what I was hiking, and I didn't have my phone. So walked back. Of course, it's in the middle of the trail. I had slid it down, but totally missed the whole pocket. So that's the first time that's ever happened. But I'm glad it's happened. It's a good recovery. Just following this creek right here. Good recovery. No foul. I'm going down the trail. It's been a muddy, although the inclines are great. We're just down in the swampy stuff. Summertime. Whoa. There you go. There's a nice beach to hang out at. Yeah, okay. Same old shit again. just came up over that way, and look at this great pond. That ain't a place to go for a swim in the summertime. Holy moly. That would be awesome. All right, we got some hikers up here. What are they up to? All right. Look at, there's a good water source. What's up, guys? How's it going? What's up? Oh, you got your backpack today. You do, you do. Yeah, there's a little bit of gnats around this area. Made it to Wapiti Shelter. I think I'm finally pronouncing it correctly. It's about 1:30. I'm pretty early, but that's okay. It gives my foot time to rest. I'm on a plan. I'm gonna stick to that plan. And so we're gonna hang out here, and then we're gonna sneak into Woods Hole tomorrow. All right, let's go check out the shelter. What's up on that hill there? All right, hit the small shelter. It'll do for me. Okay. All right. All right, guys. So, made it here. Gonna get things unloaded and hang out. Laters. All right, guys. So, change of plans. I decided to leave Wapiti Shelter. I know I'm not changing my plans a little bit, but that's all right. Gotta be flexible. Plus, there's a tent site about 2.4 miles up. It's gonna have far out comment says it's got AT&T reception and like 2 bars. So I thought that'd be nice to have. And we'll set the tent up. If it rains, that's okay. We're going into Woods Hole tomorrow, and I have time to set it up. I'm only 5 miles from there, so I'll be able to let it dry out. If it doesn't rain like all day tomorrow or whatever. Anyways, so moving out. See you down the trail. All right, guys, so I made it up here to the tent site. There would be a nice view out yonder that way, but too many leaves. So got the tent set up, got my socks drying. There are a few gnats, so I'm gonna see if I can get a little fire going. I know it's been raining for 3 days, but maybe if I can get it to smolder, I'll get a little smoke and get rid of the gnats. But other than that, done for the day. So it ended up being what, like 16? It's 3:15. Ended up being like 16-mile day, which, all right, I'll take that. And then tomorrow we got, what, 5-6 miles into the hostel. So good day. It was a real good day. Got to eat some good chow. I'm gonna have a burger for dinner and sausage biscuit. I got me leftover Doritos or chips. And yeah. So, all right, laters.